Hey everybody, my name is Nick. In this video we will talk about Adspower. So I'm gonna be showing you how to download this browser on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up a browser and type here Adspower. Okay, and now go to their official website, adspower.com. Right here on the homepage, you can find the download button. By the way, if you would like to download this browser on iOS, for example, you can click on this button, other versions, and install it on Linux, macOS, or Windows. So let's click on this button, and then at the top right in your download history, you'll find the Adspower installer. After the installation, we need to run it. By the way, I would like to show you the pricing tab. You have to know about that. So there are free plans, free, professional, and business. And in free plan, you will get only 2 profiles and 0 members. The professional plan for $5.4 per month, or if you pay monthly for $9 per month, you will get 10 proxies. And the last plan is business for $36 per month. Finally, the installer is downloaded, and now I'm gonna run it. So let's click on it. Click on I agree. Here you can change the install location, or just click on the install button. And after it, on your desktop, you will find the Adspower browser icon. So let's click on finish and run the browser. Now you can create your account and start using the browser. Hope my video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.